Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A55 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's find it. And as you can see, before I've started recording, I've applied those lines, which are grid lines. I've applied it before because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically they should disappear after resetting. So to reset the settings, we have to enter the settings themselves, which are in the left upper corner. So let's tap on it and then scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings. Let's tap on it and tap on reset. As you can see, we will automatically go back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.